Heavenly Host Radio, watch with me. Did you know that being bound unlawfully is not from God? Are we headed for a dystopian future, a society that's deprived of independent thought through reason, but by use of coercion, manipulation, the use of artificial intelligence to control everything a person does, their finances, their beliefs, their activities, who they talk to, and where they go? In one demarcated government, they have 48 million cameras doing just that in this specific time. 1 John 4 reminds us to test the spirits to see if they are from God. And in Luke 11, we're reminded that a strong man's house cannot be plundered unless if he is first bound. Are we being bound unnaturally by things that are not of God?